world, and I live in the Netherlands. And I'm the founder of Lilly's Plastic Pickup. And how it all started was back in the years of 2015, when me and my grandpa were just walking, and we just saw just a lot of discarded plastic everywhere, and this was just unacceptable. And we started picking it up, and my grandpa said that anything that falls on the ground will somehow make its way to the ocean, and it doesn't matter, it might take a day, a week, a month, even a year, but it will somehow make its way to the ocean and into the plastic soup. And this is bad news for everyone, but what's awful, just really bad about plastic, is that it never breaks down. It's not biodegradable, so it forms in these tiny pieces called microplastic, or smaller nanoplastic. And this is very, very, very dangerous, because the plankton, they're starting to eat it. And what eats plankton? Fish. And who eats that fish? Humans. So in some regions of the world, humans are actually eating plastic. I was talking to the Plastic Pollution Coalition. We were talking all about straws and plastic, and they told me about the 4 R's: recycle, renew, reuse, and most important R, refuse single-use plastic. And remember, kids, pick up your rubbish.